Hello, I'm the soliloquist representing Dinesh Steel Alloys. Basically, we are the people who understand fasteners and the project behind them. We are leading manufacturer, stockist, and supplier of all kinds of industrial fasteners, like a stainless steel fasteners, high-tensile fasteners, and many more grades. We collaborate with industries like oil and gas, power, infrastructure, and heavy engineering. And we are serving to all over India, and we are even importer and exporter of all kinds of fasteners.